question that was again asked from the West Asian region. From the West Asian region is the Golan Heights. I will again call this why in news question. Okay, that Golan Heights, where is Golan Heights seen sometime in the news? It's a disputed region and there has been many claims here. So the question, look at the question. The question and the options there. It is there, Golan Heights sometimes in news is related to Central Asia, Middle East, Southeast Asia, Central Africa. ठीक है, इतने simple questions पूछे थे, इतना simple options दिया था. If you just know कि कहीं यार यहीं पे ही है, कहीं यहीं पे ही है, we don't know the exact location, but we know obviously it will not be Central Asia. It is not in Central Asia. It is definitely not in Southeast Asia. Even if those who are confused whether it is in the Central Africa, no, it is not there in the Central Africa. It is there in the West Asia. The West Asian region is also called as the Middle East. The West Asian region is also called as the Middle East. Therefore, it is there in the Middle East. Fairly easy question if you have an idea of where is your Golan Heights. Where is your Golan Heights? Look at the Mediterranean Sea region. Okay, we know Mediterranean Sea is somewhere here. ठीक है, and then यहाँ पे आपके बहुत सारे countries हैं. ठीक है, so this is the Mediterranean Sea. This is the Mediterranean Sea. These are the countries of the West Asia. ठीक है, so if this is the Mediterranean Sea, here is your Israel, here is your Syria. Between Israel and Syria, you have your Golan Heights. This is Lebanon. We already have seen Syria opens in the Mediterranean Sea, Lebanon opens in the Mediterranean Sea, and Israel opens in the Mediterranean Sea. This we have already seen. Here, important thing you remember, see, there is another sea here, Sea of Galilee. Okay, I will not expect UPSC to ask you exact question of Sea of Galilee. Similar to Golan Heights, they can ask you where is Sea of Galilee located, whether it is located in Southeast Asia, whether it is located in the Central Africa, whether it is located in the European region, or they can ask you whether it is located in the Middle East. So just look at this and draw it in your book. Just know where is Sea of Galilee, where is your Golan Heights. Okay. With this, see, many questions up till now, they have either been on the West Asia or regarding the seas of the world. One question they had asked about in news. In news, they can ask you any question. Okay.